Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Okay, in previous class we have completed the conjunctions, isn't it? And or. Okay, we have completed our 4B companion exercise also. Right, now see, children, in studio page number 64, 4.5, recall that Ajay and his friends played at his house. Isn't it? In the pep activity we have seen that the Ajay along with his friends he is playing. Imagine different things you think Ajay and his friends can do at his house. అంటే వాళ్ళు ఇంకా ఏమేమి చేయగలరో మీరు ఊహించాలి అన్నమాట. వర్క్ ఇన్ పేర్స్, ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఫ్రేమ్ ఎ సెంటెన్స్ of your own. Combine the two sentences using and or appropriately. That means you have to work in groups, two members. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to frame one sentence and you have to combine that sentence by using the conjunctions. How we have to use is, see children, in next page, remember to frame related sentence so that they can be combined. That means we have to frame the sentences. Two sentences should have relation, రిలేటెడ్గా ఉండాలి, అప్పుడే కంబైన్ చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. సి హియర్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టు కంబైన్ sentences using and. See here they have given one example, children. Ajay and his friends eat samosas. They drink juice. Both sentences are having relation. Now see, Ajay and his friends eat samosas and drink juice. Right, here and is the conjunction. Now next one, here is an example to combine sentences using or. Do you want to go out? Do you want to stay indoors? Now these two are choice. Wherever we are having choice to choose, we will use or. Right, see, do you want to go out or are you want to too tired? Okay, are you too tired? That means నువ్వు బయటకు వెళ్ళి ఆడుకుంటావా లేదంటే నువ్వు బాగా అలసిపోయావా. Like that we have to ask questions. Here we are not in the classroom, that's why try to do this exercise with your mother. Okay, at your home your mother will be there, no? Try to tell some sentences with your mother and try to form like this and or sentences. Next, see children, in 4.6, read aloud what Ajay has to say about his friends. See, Ajay is telling something about his friends. Arun, Arjun and I are friends. I like Arun and Arjun very much. They come to my house to play. Sometimes my mother or my father also plays with us. Now circle the verbs in the sentences, underline the conjunctions. That means you have to circle the verbs, action words, and underline the conjunction. See this one, circle. Okay, Arun, Arjun and means conjunction. You have to underline the and. Underline and. And next, are. R means verb, no? Circle it. Next, I like, verb. Like means verb, circle, and is conjunction. They come to my house to play. Play means verb, circle. Sometimes my mother or my father also plays with us. Plays, circle. Like this you have to do, children. Now see, observe that we use the plural form of the verb when we join words or sentences using and. That means plural form, that means more than one plural form use చేస్తున్నాం ఎప్పుడు and use చేసినప్పుడు. See, that means and means we are combining, joining, right? Arun, Arjun and I are friends. This one are is plural form of the verb. Turn your pages, children. 66. Now here see, we use the singular form of the verb when we indicate choice using or. Sometimes my mother or my father plays with us. This is the singular form of the verb. That means, see children, singular form means single ga okkate unnappudu. Or means what, children? First of all, or where we will use when we have choice. Rendu తీసుకోము. ఓకే, మై మదర్ కానీ ఫాదర్ కానీ ఇద్దరిలో ఒక్కరే ఆడతారు కాబట్టి సింగులర్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్బ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్. బట్ కమింగ్ టు అండ్ మీన్స్ బోత్. ఓకే, మై ఫాదర్ అండ్ మై మదర్ ప్లే విత్ అస్. ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ ఇక్కడ అండ్ ఉందంటే మై ఫాదర్ ఆడతారు, అలాగే మదర్ కూడా నాతో ఆడతారు. వాళ్ళిద్దరూ ఆడినప్పుడు ప్లూరల్ form of the verb use cheyali. That means plural form means are, play, like this. And singular form means we have to use is. Okay, is, is, and like this plays also. Okay children, like that we have to do. And next one, see here in 4.7, Ajay and his friends take part in a race in school. Look at the pictures below. Answer the questions given. Answer the following questions. Give reasons for your responses. Okay, that means what you have to do? You have to answer these questions and you have to see the pictures. Here, who are they in the race? Ajay, Arya, Anush, Amit, Akhil, Arun. Okay, these are the participants, those who are participating in the school race. Now see, who has won the second prize? See children, here also they have given one more picture here. First place goes to one person, in second place two persons are there, in third place only one person. That means you have to write the answers by looking at these two pictures. Second place to whom it have given second prize, as two are running now here. Arya and Anush won the second prize. Right here, first one answer Arya and Anush won the second prize. Like that you have to write. And second question, who has won the third prize? Third prize only one person won children. In this picture we can see whose leg is in front. ఓకే, ఎవరి లెగ్ ముందుంది, ఎవరు ఒక స్టెప్ వెనకాల ఉన్నారు? ఎస్, అఖిల్ ఈజ్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ అమిత్ ఈజ్ one step forward. That means Amit won the third prize. Amit has won the third place. Okay, Amit has won the third place. Like this you have to do children. And next one, see here in next page 67, fill in the correct form of the verb based on the conjunction used. That is 4C, and choose the correct form of the verb and complete the sentences. 4D in companion. Open companion children. Companion 4C, open. Okay, 4C, what it's there? Look at the picture, underline the conjunctions, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb depending on the conjunction used. That means conjunction ki suitable ga మనం verb form ni use cheyali. Okay children, that means you have to underline the conjunction first. What I told for and ki మనం plural form of the verb use చేయాలి. And for or what we have to use? Singular form of the verb. Okay children, now see, let's read 4C. The rabbit family is on a picnic. Meet Pa, Ma and the baby rabbits, Coco and Poppy. Okay, that means rabbit family went for a picnic. Rabbit mother, father and baby rabbits, Coco and Poppy went for a picnic. Okay, and next see children, see the questions here. See first question. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Ma, Pa and the baby rabbit. And okay, underline and means what form we have to use? Verb form, plural form. Okay, is sitting or are sitting? Are sitting and rayala, is sitting and rayala. Yes, are sitting. Are sitting on a blue mat. Coco is wearing an orange t-shirt. Okay, orange shirt. Now, who is running around? Who is running around? Poppy or Coco dash playing hide and seek. Poppy or Coco, or underline or means we have to use singular, that means is. Popo or Coco is playing hide and seek. Next one, who are the creatures flying around them? Someone is flying around them. Who are they? They are fairies. The fairies Chinny and Minnie with green and pink dresses, okay, are flying around the rabbit. Okay, Chinny and Minnie. Chinny and Minnie. And now here green and pink dresses. And okay, that means we have to use plural form of the verb. And next, what does the rabbit family like to eat? The family dash to eat carrot or popcorn. Or means we have to use singular form. Singular form means as. Here like is there, no? Likes to. Okay, the family likes to eat carrot or popcorn. Like this you have to do this exercise. Now come to next page children, 29 4D. This is your homework children. Choose the correct form of the verb given in brackets for each sentence. One has been done for you. చాయిస్ ఇస్తారనమాట. ఇక్కడ 2 verbs ఇస్తారు, అందులో ఒకటి మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. How we will select? If and is there, we will choose plural form of the verb. If or is there, we will use singular form, that is. Plural form verb is are and singular form is. Okay, my mother and my father are the best, because here we have used and. Okay, and ki plural form use cheyali, plural form verb. And first or we have to use singular form verb, that means is. Okay, like that you have to do. See children, Ria and Raima dash twins, and we have used and means yes, plural form we have to use, that means Ria and Raima are twins. Like that you have to do remaining children. And frame 3 sentences of your own. Remember to use conjunctions with the correct form of the verb. That means you have to use one conjunction and correct form of the verb also. Okay, this is your homework. Do this one and send to me in WhatsApp, children. Okay, this is about today's English class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.